Robyn's world, Robyn's world, Robyn's world. Hey you guys, welcome to Robyn's world. So today I have some wonderful news. We found Luna, and she's found, and here she is, and I'm happy to see Luna, and I'm excited to see her coming home with us, and I'm excited for her. And here's a clip of Raja and my dad in PetSmart looking for Luna. Here it is.
And then when I turned around, I asked her, hold Raja. I came over here and he pointed, he said she went over there. He said she went over there. Luna. 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 Come here, Luna. I'm at Lowe's. I have PetSmart. Look who I found 10 minutes after. I found her. Raja and I found her. We found her. It's what time is it? 5:12. Been out here since 2:30. Right when I found her, maybe 10 minutes later, they turned on the lights. She would have ran back inside and been gone for another day.
That is a video of my dad and Raja. Oh, there is Raja. He's happy because Luna is found. And I'm excited for him. I'm proud of him because he's really happy and excited to see Luna again. And it was really nice to see Luna and happy for her. And I'm really happy as well too, my mom and my dad. And guess what, you guys? Guess what? Luna is pregnant. She's gonna have a baby, probably about 2 months before she gives birth to kittens. And I'll keep you informed on her pregnancy. And I have some really sad news to tell you guys. My friend, Taiwan friend, is moving to North America to go on the mountain. I'm sad because he's not going to school. I think this is last day on I think on June, I don't know, but I'll FaceTime him, I'll text him and send him letters on the pictures, and it was really sad, and I really missed him. I hope he's gonna miss me too. And I have a show in Georgia. We're flying to Georgia to visit my family. God. Okay, I'm going to Georgia for a show. Subscribe to my channel and click the link below. And I'll see you next Saturday. Bye.